Hey, this is Eric. This is an update to the create a treatment video. I'm going to use the draw a box feature, and that'll be how you go about creating a new treatment. So get yourself logged in and hit the down caret on the create, and then click on the create a new fuels treatment. When you do that, you're going to get some options. So you're going to be able to upload a video. I'll show you how to do that. And then there's also the draw, and then there's the cancel if you made a mistake. So I'm going to zoom into an area where I know I want to draw a new treatment. And I'm going to turn on some information that's going to help me do that. I'm going to use the jurisdictional layer. And now that I have the jurisdictional layer, I'm going to zoom into an area, and maybe I want to switch between an aerial photo and the map. And just as an example, I want to draw a feature right along the Eagle Lake on BLM property. So I'm going to simply single click, and that will get a vertex. And then as you are finishing up where you want to be, just double click, and that will create a will start to create a feature or start to create a treatment. Next steps is naming, and all these red asterisks are going to generate a required field missing, error, or unsaved field if you have an unsaved field when you try to do anything else. So if you were to name it hit save, and you're going to get some changes, and you're going to make sure you have to put in a correct category and type. The type will change based on the category. And as you fill in information, the status will change to whatever it needs to be based on what your how much information you have in there. Realize that some agencies are going to require more information than others, and you will need to make sure you hit that information. Everyone has to do a vegetation departure. You can put it in manual mode if you want to. Everyone has to do a WUI, but these red asterisks are going to be what help you out with that. As you can see, it disappeared. I'm going to hit the edit parameter, and it's going to give me a warning if I want to edit it. And then I can put the mouse as crosshairs and just move the whole box, or I can move each individual one by grabbing it. If I were to hit the plus sign, it'll show up and give me an option to create a new vertex. So you can make your alterations, just hit confirm, and it'll save it. Just hit save, close, and then based on the filters you have on, you can make sure that you do end up seeing your treatment. So go ahead and flip those, any kind of filters you have on, off. That'll be how you go about creating and editing to a certain extent. Good luck.